In this video, we will show you how to replace your door seal on this Ford F-150. This will be located inside of your door jamb. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're starting down along the bottom of the door jamb. We're going to remove this trim panel. For this, I'm just using a plastic trim tool. Start on one side, make your way over. Just a quick inspection of that and we'll set it aside. Now the next thing we want to do is pay attention down along this area. When we go to install our new seal, this is where we want to have the drip edge, all the way down along the bottom. You can see that there's actually a small line here. Let's start pulling this up and away from the body of the vehicle, making our way all the way around. If you find you have a hard time lifting it, just use your plastic trim tool. Now we're going to clean the mating surface. I'm using some glass cleaner on a clean rag. We'll give this a quick wipe and a thorough inspection, confirming it's not rotted, weak, or damaged in any way. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our brand new door seal. As far as the door seal, we want to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. Having a look in this area, you can see that we have a metal slotted area, and then we also have a squeezable rubber seal. That squeezable seal needs to be up against where the door would be. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this around, and we'll start bringing this into place. Now when we start this, you can start pretty much anywhere you want down in this area. We just want to make sure that we have the split down on the bottom. As we start aligning this, we'll just press it down and into the proper position. I got my squishy side of the seal facing out towards the door. Areas that you want to pay attention during the installation will be around each one of the corners. You need to make sure that you press it in as far as possible. For this, you can use a rubber mallet and tap it into place if necessary. This all the way over. There we are. We'll just make sure that's secure all the way around. It's time for our trim panel. Along the bottom of that, you're going to find that you have several locating and locking tabs. Let's just make sure everything's properly aligned with their corresponding ports and lock it down. Now that we have it installed, let's make sure we test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.